What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today I'm doing an engine bay restoration. Alright, so as you can see, the engine bay is absolutely filthy. So what we're going to do is we are going to completely restore this engine bay on this Ford Taurus. So the goal is to get it nice and spotless and get it looking to the closest condition as new as possible. Okay, so after a nice wipe down with just water, this is what the engine bay looks like, and you're going to be able to tell the difference between a wipe down with water and Armor All and protectants. And this is the after just getting it with a little bit of water, a normal rag, and a little bit of Armor All. So the plan is to obviously come back in here with some special tools to get in between the crevices and really bring it to life. But as of right now, this is what improvements look like after just a basic wash. Just one last view, and like I said, the regular water with the rag and the Armor All helped a little bit, but in order to get the results that I want, I'm gonna have to get something for this part here. As you can see, there's staining here that I just couldn't get out, so I'm gonna get some special stuff so I can wipe all this down and have it nice and clean. I need one of those blowers so I can get all that dust out of there. But like I said, overall, very happy with it. And I don't know, I may or may not do a follow-up video showing you guys the final results. Thank you for watching. We'll see you with the next video. Take care.